Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Gemini not showing up in Google Sheets. If Gemini is not appearing the way you expect inside Google Sheets, this quick check can often solve the problem. In many cases, the issue comes down to which Google account is currently active, so we'll walk through a simple way to confirm that everything is connected properly. Begin by opening your Google Sheets file. Once you're inside the spreadsheet, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded. This is important because some workspace tools, including Gemini, may not appear right away if the sheet is still loading in the background, or if your browser has not fully refreshed the interface. Next, look to the top right area of Google Sheets and click the Gemini icon. This is where you can access Gemini directly from within the spreadsheet. If the icon is visible, selecting it will help you confirm whether the feature is available and connected correctly in your current session. If you've been expecting Gemini to show up and it hasn't, this is the first place you'll want to check. After opening Gemini, the key step is to make sure the same Google account is connected in both Google Sheets and Gemini. This is a very common cause of the issue. For example, if your spreadsheet is open under one Google account, but Gemini is signed in with another, the feature may not appear properly or may not work as expected. Carefully check the account shown in Sheets and compare it with the account being used by Gemini. If they do not match, switch so both are using the same account. Once that's done, give the page a moment to update. In some cases, refreshing the spreadsheet afterward can help the change take effect more clearly. The goal is simply to ensure that Google Sheets and Gemini are both running under one matching account so the integration can work properly. This is a small detail, but it's one of the most important things to verify when troubleshooting Gemini visibility in Sheets. When the accounts match, the tool is much more likely to appear and function normally. That's all you need to do. Open the spreadsheet, click the Gemini icon in the top right corner, and confirm that the same account is being used in both places. Following these steps should help you fix the issue quickly and get back to working in Google Sheets with Gemini available.